Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your sheet columns, name, ID, score. Enter a helper column labeled numeric score and use equals value. If scores are stored as text, this ensures Excel treats values numerically. Once done, remove stray spaces with trim. This avoids mismatched lookups. Make sure there are no merged cells in the range. You do this now because accurate numeric types and clean text prevent ranking errors later. So take these quick steps before any formulas. Now you create ranks. In the rank column, enter equals rank. XC2 $C$2 $C$101 0 for highest score equals rank 1. This computes basic position. Then handle ties by adding a small tie break. Combine with countif or use equals rank. XC2 $C$2 $C$101 0 plus countif $C$2 C2. C2 minus 1, so each duplicate gets distinct sequential rank. Make sure you lock ranges with $ before filling down. Finish by converting formula ranks to values if you require a snapshot. Copy the column and paste special as values. Once done, verify correctness with checks like equals max, rank range, and a few manual comparisons of top students. This confirms no off-by-one errors. If ranks change after copying or look wrong, inspect for hidden decimals, leading / trailing spaces, or text-formatted numbers. These are common culprits. If problems persist, recalc with F9 and reevaluate your helper column conversions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.